Hello and welcome back to this crazy stock experiment. I'm not sure what episode this is, but I started with, I don't even know, like 3,000 in there. It's up to $36,249.22. I'm up 4.58% today. So let's look at the last video. We were at $31,933. And now we are at $36,249. So we're up what, like $4,000? That was almost $32,000, and this is, oh yeah, we're at $4,000, just over $4,000. Now it's not all gains here because I have bought 2 more shares of Tesla at I bought it at $4.93. So today's just incredible. I can't even believe it. So I have over $19,000 in Tesla, which is insane. I probably put in 11, so that's an $8,000 gain. That's why, everyone's crazy with dividends. They only invest in dividends, but then they're missing out on these great companies like Tesla and these big opportunities. Now another thing, just off the top, we've got Canopy Growth here at $2, up $2 a share today. So I'm up $263 in that as well. So supposedly, we'll get to this, but there's a rumor about Canopy Growth. We'll work our way through it. So this is insane today. So I'm up $1,587.32 just today in this account. So this, again, if you haven't watched the show before, this is the crazy stock experiment where I invest in speculative stuff like the MJ sector, growth stuff, Tesla, obviously, Alibaba, and dividend stocks, high yield dividend stocks, not just like even by high yield, like super high yield. I'm looking at like over 10. So let's go through the list and see what's going on. So Aurora is not doing well. But I want to do a video about Aurora because I haven't done it yet. Let's have a quick look. There's a rumor about Aurora that Coca-Cola could be involved with them. I'll get more into that. It has been going down. It has not been a good investment so far. That's a 6-month. Yikes! So I'm down on Aurora. Look at that. For a year, it's been going down. But if this Coca-Cola deal is real, it's going to skyrocket. It was, and let's look at it again, it was like a $10 stock, a $15 stock at one point. So look at the 5-year. The top was like 12, there we go. Yeah, around 12. It's at 2. So this is speculative. Who knows? I do not know. Okay, so Tesla is up to $513. Okay, let's do Geo Group first. Sorry, I skipped one. Okay, Geo Group, I now have $288 in there. I might have bought a few shares, I don't remember. But it pays out a juicy 12.24%. That's a monthly payment. You don't get 12% in 1 month, but it's split up over 12 months, so you're getting like over 1% a month on whatever you have in there. And I don't have a lot in there. So Tesla, I don't know what to say about Tesla. It's incredible. It's been an incredible investment. It's the best investment I've ever been involved with in my whole life so far. So like, look at that growth. It's incredible. Up 7% on my money today. It's just insane. Again, electric vehicles are taking over. So there's rumor about the million mile battery. You don't want to buy a car with $1 million battery in it. You want the million-mile battery, which Elon Musk is supposedly going to announce at this event. I did a video about it. Please watch it. It's the million-mile battery video. Just go to my channel. They got the Model Y coming out. China just came out and said they're not going to cut subsidies like they did last year. And, you got Trump and, is it Xi? XI, is it? They're going to sign the document on Wednesday. So things are getting rosy. You got the subsidy thing from China. So that thing's just on a tear. It's just fantastic. I wish I had more. I did buy 2 more shares just the other day. And we've already discussed Canopy Growth and AbbVie. Let's have a look at AbbVie. It's been a fantastic investment as well. That's all thanks to PPC Ian. He's a YouTuber who put that on my radar, and I bought when he bought, and it's been fantastic. I think I bought it at like $66. So that's good. I've got $3,779 in that. That's great. Nope. $3,234.50. Now, Baba, I've talked about this in the past. I want to try to diversify. I've got a lot of money in Canada and in the States in stocks, and I want to diversify more. I want to be more in Europe. I want to be more in China, Africa. Just, you want to be, I almost look at the States as just like one stock. Like, why would you put all your money in one stock? But I have money in 2 stocks. I have Canada stocks and US stocks. I need to diversify just in case there's a recession in one of those countries or both the countries. Maybe there's another country that's on a tear. Australia has been going for like 20 years. They've got a bull market. Why wasn't I? I've only been in the market for like 2 years. So yeah, why the heck haven't I been in Australia? Now, it's tough to buy stocks overseas. I've been investigating that. Have you guys bought stocks overseas? My Lord, that's okay. Anyways, have you guys bought stocks overseas? I was looking into interactive brokers, but they take like 1% on your trade. I don't know. I thought it was supposed to be free. Anyways, so Baba is slowly working its way up. My thesis is that it's going to continue to rise when the Chinese can buy their own stock after it's been on the Hong Kong market. I'd love to buy more, but this is the slow time money-wise for me through the year. But I would love to get this position up to 7,500 or up to 10,000. That would be fantastic. So this would be the one that I would put my money into first. If this here, this is turning around. It's like let's look at the dividend now. It's 17.47%. I guess because it's like shale, I think. Shale, oil. So if oil's up, then this was going to be up. But that dividend is fantastic. But that one's a little risky, but I like them. So I've got $624 in that. Vermilion, I'm a huge fan of Vermilion Energy. So they're still paying over 12% dividends. I put $1,000 into them a little ways back. I did a video about it. And let's see it now. What's the price now? Why can't I see? Oh, there it is. So I put $1,000 in. I'm up $71 in capital gains, so up 7%. I haven't owned it. I've owned it for less than a year. So I'm up 7%. And they pay, when I bought it, it was 14%. And they pay monthly, so I've made money in dividends already. Also, this is another one of my favorites. This is Chemtrade. And Chemtrade Logistics, they pay 10%. Now, so yeah, they've been on a tear. They were paying, I think, 12 when I bought it, down here. So they're doing quite well. But still, that's a fantastic dividend. They haven't cut their dividend in the Great Recession, which is fantastic. And Pizza, how's it doing? It always trades around this level, around the $10 range. And it goes from like 9 to 10. And it seems to be going up as well, which is fantastic. In a recession, I think these guys will do well. I know I've talked about that before. Cheap good pizza. And last but not least, we've got American Hotel. And everything's on a tear today, it seems. Still over 12% dividends. Seems to be doing quite well. And it pays monthly. So you're getting over 1% of your money in dividends. So where would my money be spent? What am I looking at here? This one I'm going to do a video about the rumor about Coke. Coca-Cola and Aurora. Coca-Cola, supposedly, I haven't researched this point, but supposedly in Japan they have a Coca-Cola that's got CBD in it, which is part of like MJ. It's supposed to be like a healthy thing, doesn't get you high. And there's some talks that Coca-Cola is involved with Aurora. There's some stuff that came out. You guys probably know about this already, but I'll do a video about it, specifically about Aurora and my thoughts on them, and I would like to put more money into them. So let's see, Geo Group. Yes, I want to get this up to 1,000. I want that $1,000 in Geo Group. Tesla, would I buy more? This is insane the way this has been going up. Maybe that people have said it could go up to $4,000 a share. This still could be cheap, and I think everyone realizes that now, and all the skeptics are being silenced because they have nothing to stand on, their thesis. Even Canopy, supposedly if Constellation Brands buys the whole company, it could really go on a tear. I'd put more money into that. AbbVie, no, I'm happy with that position. Happy with the capital gains, happy with, it was at over 6% dividend. Very happy with that. It's a little risky because of the Humira patents ending. So I'm out of that one. Baba, I'm totally would invest more in Baba. I want that up to $10,000. I would buy more of this. Vermilion is one of my favorites. Chemtrade's one of my favorites. Pizza. I don't know. I still like it. It's like a 9% dividend, I believe. Let's have a quick look. So 8.7, yeah, because it's been on a tear. But that's still fantastic. Great company. I'd invest, yeah. I love this little portfolio I have. I do have another one, guys. I'm not a financial advisor, so this is just purely for entertainment. You can just watch my stuff go up or down. I do have a safer one. I have a safer account with more safe things. There's McDonald's in there and Enbridge and banks and all sorts of safe stuff. This is my crazy one that I'd like to share with you guys. Guys, do you have any questions about any of these stocks? Do you own any of this stuff? What do you guys think? What's going on with Tesla? What are your thoughts on Tesla? What about Alibaba with China? What about these high yield stuff? Comment below. Let's get into discussion. Share your guys' favorites. These are mine right now. So yeah, tell me. Comment below and put some stocks there that you guys own. Let's talk about stocks. Some of these, Geo Group was from someone that commented on my video. Let's see, what else here? I think Ontario Midstream, someone put that on my radar from talking. So comment below. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please like the video and comment below and ding that bell and hit the notifications. And let's make some money, guys. Let's make a killing in 2020. I'll talk to you guys later. Cheers, guys. Bye.